The Coleman Aravis is a lightweight tent, perfect for adventurous expeditions out on the hill. The compact pack size means it can fit neatly inside a backpack, while the performance materials with a wind-stable wedge tunnel construction provide outstanding weather protection. Incredibly easy to erect, the Aravis features up-in-one pitching for fast protection from the elements. Its wedge structure with two pre-shaped poles offers optimum head height for greater comfort. A porch door on either side of the tent provides plenty of room to store gear or muddy boots and increases pitching convenience. Wind is no match for the strong yet lightweight 7001 T6 aluminium poles, while the durable PU-coated ripstop polyester flysheet guarantees to keep the rain out. With a hydrostatic head of 4000 mm on the flysheet and 5000 mm on the ground sheet, the Aravis promises to keep you dry even in prolonged periods of wet weather and driving rain. The flysheet features UV Pro to prevent UV degradation, while all fabrics are also fire retardant for increased peace of mind. Mesh pole sleeves ensure smooth and easy pole insertion, as well as reducing wind resistance for a more aerodynamic structure and less wind noise. The lightweight squared aluminium pegs and reflective guy lines with triangular adjusters provide additional wind support. The inner tent is made from breathable polyester and ultra-fine no-seam mesh and keeps even the smallest insects at bay while allowing good airflow through the tent, helping to reduce the risk of condensation and ensuring a comfortable interior temperature. Inside the tent, there are multiple pockets and a convenient torch hook. The Aravis can be quickly pitched in less than 10 minutes thanks to the simple two-pole construction. Roll out the tent and assemble the two aluminium poles. Insert the color-coded poles into the color-coded mesh sleeves. Then push the poles to arc and place the pole ends into eyelets to secure. Peg out the front of the tent, pegging at 45 degrees for maximum resistance. Then pull the tent back and peg down. Peg out the rest of the tent. The inner is pre-attached, so just pull the webbing to tension if required. Extend the guy lines, adjust and peg, following the line of the poles for maximum support. The Coleman Aravis for lightweight performance. Available in 2- and 3-person models.